Good morning, everybody. Pro Trader Mike. Hope you had a wonderful night last night. Looking for an amazing trading day. We do that every single day. Let's head on over to the main screen in the Mojo room and say hello to the traders. Gotta delete some of these tweets that just popped up in the room right here. But the number one gainer on the NASDAQ today is the Mojo swing pick, guys. Check it out, TTOO, number one gainer on the NASDAQ, Mojo swing pick right here. Here's TTOO. So very, very nice as the swing picks continue to rock and roll. Right there, Mojo swing pick, TTOO. And here's the, let's see what we got here. Here's the, we bought this one, T2, August 11th at 85 cents. And T2 is 192 by 194 right now. Good morning, everybody. Midweek action for the Mojo. See what we got going on. ROKU yesterday made an amazing call on ROKU through $141. It's now $147. Nailed this thing right here at the end. We have right here. Yeah. Rento's on his way to Maine to get some lobsters. So right here is the trade on ROKU. So I said right here, ROKU, $140.27 stopping station, making a bounce up, short covering end of the day. And yesterday, 3:30 p.m. exactly, went to go through Heinz 141. So you have about a 70-cent move up to the target, and then through the target, it's going to start to rip on a short end of the day squeeze. And it went 141.20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Great, great, great trade. So now it's going to go to 144. Here comes another big red on ROKU, but I'm sorry to disagree with you. And I wrote re-long as soon as he did that 1 minute later at 140.72, back through 141, risking just 15 cents, along with MNK on a Marubozu close. So you have MNK went to 488 this morning off the 370, off the Marubozu close. So if you were able to trade that in the pre-market, you did really, really good. And then here's the ROKU through 141, 141.50, 142, 142.50, 142.70, 143, 143.20, 143.50. This is all happening within a couple of minutes, folks. End of the day squeeze, as I told you. We bought it right here. It was very low risk, so it had based out right here. So it was very low risk only, 15 to 25 cents. But on the upside, it nailed a couple of dollars. So yeah, MNK is beautiful. And also Fran went to $12.20 after the close yesterday, and the pre-market was up at $13.40 on that. And MNK right here in the pre-market was at 488 on the morning squeeze right here. So pretty interesting with the pre-market right there. And then it went 144.50. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. And some people ask me, how did I know that was going to happen? Because I run the MOJO Day Trade room. And I'm hot. So I've been doing it for 25 years. when you play Asteroids, Donkey Kong, Fortnite, whatever your video game is, every single day, all day long, and that's your mastery, you become pretty good at it. So this is what you look at like after a red-eye flight to the East Coast. No trading today. Catching this is Pro Trader Renteria. See, real deal people that are in the room the same every day, not like the other newsletters and services that are putting out a different name every single day. It's the same guys every day. Same team. We got a new guy on the team, Pro Trader Gree. So here was the nice morning analysis right here. U.S. equity markets closed higher on Tuesday after another calm trading session on Wall Street. The Dow Industrials gained 73.92, only 0.28%, and the S&P gained 0.96, or nothing, while the Nasdaq closed lower by nothing, and the Russell finished up higher by 1%. So the Russell 2000, these smaller cap stocks. Crude oil futures finished the day flat, while gold futures gave back another 1.08%. Apple unveiled a list of new products, including a new iPhone, iWatch, and a new iPad. All of these products were well received, but the one that made the biggest impact was the Apple TV service for $4.99, which immediately resulted in selling off of Netflix, Disney, and Roku. Nice. VTVT. Checking out that one. So we got MNK at 373. Coda Octopus is 1190. Going into 12, the Octopus. Love the Octopus. These are traded AT&T through 37 yesterday. This morning it's 38. TTOO is T2 Biosciences is $1.92 right now. Amazing. LXRX, also a previous swing pick for the Mojo. LXRX is the symbol. Right here. This was a pick right here. Called Lexicon Pharmaceuticals, LXRX. I picked this one in 2013. 6 years ago. It looked like this. They were doing 200,000 in revenues, up 20% in the latest quarter on 513 million shares, and growing from a loss to a little bit of a loss, and it was at $2.38. Developed protein drugs to treat type 2 diabetes. And it's right there at $2.33. Here's another look at it on another trade with the Dosh Trader. This was right here at $1.67 by 8 on 3.6 million shares. If volume keeps up, the stock will break above 276 and make a move to 3. And this is what it looks like right now. Kind of similar. So if it makes a move, well, it actually did. It's above this $2 now. It made a nice move. But on the weekly, you could fill this gap in right here. If it gets above $2.46, there's nothing in between here, all the way up to $4.88. And the float, I don't know how big the float is now. Give me a float on LXRX in the room, please. And then let's take a look at T2 Biosciences, which also fill in the nice gap. Yeah, it's still got a large float of 105 million. Thanks, Alan, for that. So yeah, we got a large float. 7% of that's short. So we may see a nice move on the. That's why it's going to probably fill in on both sides. But let's check out the T2 biosystems. Here's the T2. This is the water pick. Did amazing. WTER, amazing. RAD buyout at 646 is $9 now on the RAD. This was just picked on September 1st, along with WTER. Here's ACRS, INWK, and T2 Biosystems at 94 cents, just picked on August 11th, exactly 1 month ago. Did all my guys get that, my subscribers, for $149 a month? That's what they pay. They got the swing course. They have the fishing poles, the tools, the tackle box, the bait. They know exactly how to do it themselves. They watch the course. They do it with me. They know how to put the picks on, build the positions in the picks, yeah, and reap the rewards of the picks.
Yes.
So this was a nice move right here, looking for a move to go test the $1. The TTOO is right now at $2. It's got 44.5 million shares in the float, 20% owned by funds, and we're looking to rock and roll on that baby today. So good job on that, along with Octopus. We got Coda Octopus right now, heading up right here on the daily, filling up this little nice move up through 12, maybe into 15 on the Octopus, on the Coda Octopus. We like the new Octopus. That was a beautiful pick right there. And Yuma, YUMA, is up $1.54 on 1 million shares. Yuma Energy. Check out Yuma. $3.38. OTL Cash, saw that Sunday. I said it's going to rebound, either that one or Arcadia. This one's up 14%. Arcadia. Keep an eye on Arcadia, guys. It's up 3.9% right now. It's 668. It's Mojo Swing Pick. Arcadia Biosciences to make a nice move. We're already in it. So if you're not in it, you're not up 25 cents and 4%, which is just the beginning, but you know about it. You're not in Coda. Coda's 1110 bid by 1165. Who owns some shares of Coda? Octopus in the room. Big Octopus. Who owns some of that Octopus? Coda Octopus right here. Last pick going out in the Swing Trade newsletter. WTER, ACRS. There's the Coda Octopus on 9/8. Mojo Swing Trade newsletter pick at $9.53 to add up towards $9.90 to go through 10. Heinz, it's now 12. Bam. Look at that. 1165 ask heading into 12. Your ears pick from the other day is up nothing. Yeah, it's up 10 cents. 9. Someone in my room picked that. I was watching this guy's video yesterday, how you in his chat room, he did a free invite and he's everybody's family in there and it's all family and everyone's helping each other and it was the most biggest bunch of bull crap I've ever heard. He had 450 and 94 people in the room, you mean to tell me you're going to be helping everybody with your own busy schedule and stuff? It's not the same names over and over and over. You don't get to know the people. You don't get to know them. Let's see here. Pro Trader Allen, I've met him he's been in my room since 2012. I've met him a dozen times. Alpha, he's moderator. How do you get up to be a moderator, Alpha? I think someone changed your role. But anyway, Mar, never met him, but these guys I've known for 5 years, 4 years. They've been in the room 3, 4, 5 years. Bohan's one of the guys from the beginning. You'll see him on every video. Go back. Carol, same thing, 2014, 15. All these guys. What's up, Mueller? Gotta change it. Oh, he just gone. Where'd he go? He's gone. Popped in and popped out. Who are these guys? Scotty, 606, ready to come back online. All right. Continue for the day here. Head up into the day trading, 9:24 a.m. All right. Something's the matter with my room and the settings. Little bug in the room. There we go. Very weird. The screen share is set up. 85709. So the screen share is live. I'm going to trade right into the open. Very weird. The screen. Yeah, I have a problem with the room. Let me try to reset the room. Nope. I'm missing a function in the room to change people's roles. I'm missing a function in the room to change people's roles. For some reason. Change mine. Very weird. Very weird. I changed a couple of rules, but very weird. All right, here we go for the open, guys. 9:29 and 45 seconds. A buyer, $7 Heinz. A buyer. I like that one right there. Let's see how it opens. All right, here we go. It opened. It's 680 by 83 on the open. It's got a 20-cent spread, so we can't do anything. Nothing yet. Take some A buyer right here. A buyer. $6.83. $6.85. 90. Add 95. Add 97 plus. Yuma halted. Yeah, $3.25 on Yuma. That did halt. There's nothing going on. Fran, nope. Signal at 11 on Fran, but there's a 15-cent spread. It just went through 11. And too small. LXRX. 2.7 million traded long right here at 251. LXRX. $253, $255, $257, $258, $260, $263, $264. Great trade.
Yeah, baby.
Sell some right here.
Yeah.
Sold.
Well,
sold.
yes. Give me a
Sold.
one. Give me an E. Give me a yeah.
Sell some here. Great job. Nailed it there for you guys a little bit on that one. Here goes A Bio a little bit. They're taking the ask. Big old signal on LXRX. Big old signal on LXRX at 60. Bam, A Bio. Bam, A Bio. Bam, A Bio. A Bio. Hines. Bam, baby. Boom.
Yes.
Yes.
Great, great, great. 677 nailed. Oh my gosh, that was so beautiful. So ripped to 715. What a beautiful play on A Bio. Going higher. LXRX, here's the stops right here. 251 again. Entry. We're going to get it lower because they're stops. Right here. Right here. Feel their pain. Feel their pain. Feel their pain. 245, 241. Right here, guys. Feel their pain. 245, 241. Just suck up a little bit of it.
Well, yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes.
Yes.
Nothing big yet. Nothing big.
Yeah, baby.
Nothing big yet.
Well, yes.
Now big. 2 times right here. 2 times entry right here. 2 times, baby. Feel the pain that they took us out at $2.70.
You want? Give me an E. Give me an F. Yeah.
Add there, boys. Add with a signal of 235 on a squeeze. See ya.
Yes.
Ha, 237. 238.
Yes.
707 on A Bio. 707. Here we go on A Bio. 707 by 9. 232. Catching the bottom on LXRX. Feeling their pain. They took us out at 271 on the sale. Traded 4.1 million. Got our volume in our favor. There's your VT. $1.46 by 7. Done nothing. Done nothing. All right. Beautiful. 712, 712, 712 on that baby now. 714 on that baby now. Beautiful. 714. Great, great trading, guys. Great, great trading. Back to this LXRX. See if it bounces off stopping station 27 to 32. It should. Don't give up anything on this LXRX because it's got the volume, 4.6 million. I got you $7 stock and I got you that little $2.50 stock. Code is over 11. MNK may make a move through 350. Look at MNK here. Mini Hines 350. MNK 350. Here it goes. Here it goes. Add on to that sucker. I'll be back in a couple of minutes. 355, 356. Here it goes. All right, guys, Pro Trader Mike, I'm back. Yo, check out the A-Bio 725 on A-Bio, man. Look at that 725, 360 on MNK, man. Look at that. 725, 365, 370 on MNK, baby. 370 Moj. Moj, 370 Moj. 370 Moj. 370 Moj.
Well, yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, baby.
370 Moj.
Well, yes.
724. Look, Alan's getting sold, Alan. 724, bro. They just took you, bro. 729 coming next right here for you. Look, they're taking them right here a little bit. Sold 734 a little bit. He's got half left. Alan, great job. 736 on A-Bio. Beautiful display of live trading going on in the MOJO room. Are you in the MOJO room getting the picks for the A-Bio and the MNK? And the rockin' ROKU with a little lift and a little apple with a little spy. All the stocks. Check out the A-Bio, baby. What a pick. Your room in A-Bio and MNK? Think so. If you did, you're following the Moj. Look at my swing pick, WTER, the water stock, $2.20. I got one swing pick up there, and I got another one up there, TTOO. Is your day trading room and your guru with your newsletter putting you in these picks right here as TTOO touches 190 and goes into 2? Don't think so. Don't think so. There's the water pick. Beautiful PowerPoint display of power on alkaline water. Circles telling you what to look at, what I'm looking at. Beautiful display of detail in the swing trade newsletter for stocks looking on the move to go test 245, which it is right now. New high on A-Bio just happening right now as the Mojo speaks. And that's that one right there, followed by TTOO. I call it TTOO, even though it's T2 Biosystems. Look at that pick.
Give me a Y. Give me an E. Give me an F. Yeah.
Up 100% as we speak. Beautiful. A-Bio, new high at 737, taking off like an airplane. Beautiful. LXRX about to bounce, about to bounce back up. So here goes. Hold on your pants on LXRX. Here we go. Hold your pants on LXRX, because here we go.
Yes.
Well, yes. Yes.
Disney long through 136. Disney long through 136. You guys that like the bigger ones. Here you go. DIS 136. Could go 137, 138. So you're really risking like a dime to make $2. That's not too bad. That ain't too bad. UVXY, see Heinz in the other way, but maybe a good bounce here off 2707 stopping station. A little UV doobie. Too bad Rhodesy ain't in the room. He'd be all over this pick. That's UV. Gotta get the account fixed here so it's unlocked. All right, so that's UV. File, save. And we got to save it as default so it opens up to that. So UV right here, I like it off 2703 at 9:04 in the morning, 9:44 in the morning. There we go, 2705, 742, new high on A bio. Chilling. New high on A bio, 742. Yuma. This guy's pumping Yuma. He must be stuck in Yuma. 429 on Yuma. It opened up, huh? Yuma's going lower. Oh, sorry to say that, dude. Yuma up, lower. Yuma Duma. All right, it went up a dime. Anymore. All right, let's see what the next one is. Love. Love Sack. What kind of name is that? Look at this company. Love Sack. 2280 headed into 23. Yuma really did go higher. But it's fast. Did go to 50. 60. Went fast. Beeline up 18 cents on 124,000. I saw a lot of rooms and messages on the boards with that one. ENDP's moving 2.5 million, 423. ENDP came from 394. I don't want to chase that up. It's already been up a nice bar. Mojo don't chase. Good pick on Yuma, dude. XTY. This guy right here is a great trader. Look at this. He picked it up. I picked it lower. He won. 480 now. You don't got none of that, right, Alan? You don't got none of that Yuma, do you? Got to send in an email about my thing. 498. Amazing with the Yuma. Look, it's going through 5. All right, so I had to get that thing unlocked. 493 on Yuma. Pretty unbelievable. Oh, nice. So I gave these two guys right here. If you go to MOJO Day Trade, let me just get this guy enrolled in the course. He gave it to him for free as this thing goes through $5. Gonna plow through. A lot of people are short this stock Yuma right here, betting for it to go down. So I'm gonna do a webinar on Sunday. I tested out this thing right here. Check it out. So MOJODayTrading.com. I gave these guys in the chat room the course. Oh, this guy gets the swing course. Hold on. Online swing course. Here it is. Dude, my course is so good. Here's the deal I gave these guys. Here's the deal. I gave it to Pinch and Cousins. Same deal. So I'm talking to this guy right here in the room. And then Cousins, and I asked him what kind of strategy he has. He says momentum. So if this is like anybody else out there, the same offer goes to you. I'm doing it on Sunday night, one time only. That's it. If you get it, you get it. If you don't, you don't. And it's the one time only. I'm trying it. It's working, and I want to give it to a lot of other people. So become the next pro trader. I said if you're a subscriber, you get my picks before they happen. Otherwise, it's all after the fact. We'll have to check it out. I'm offering my courses with a free subscription. It's normally $1,500. I'm giving it to you for $149 a month. You get both day and swing trading course, 100% money back guarantee. I just have to get you started watching my courses, and you'll have 50 aha moments. I haven't had a refund in 7 years. Made 10,000 consecutive trades in a row with this system right here called the perfect trading system with the Heinz trade play. And it's right here. This is what you're going to learn within the course. Where can I find more information about your pricing system? I'm leaving on vacation. I won't be trading, but I do have some time for street. This is what I'm going to do. Forget the pricing. I'm going to give you access to my courses. You watch one of them. And if you want to continue with them, you let me know. No risk. You'll recognize the greatness. Deal? Done. Thanks. I'll be out of the country. Hopefully I can get access. Times have become strange. And I gave him the thing to enroll. I told him to watch this course first, October 2017, and leave the comments below. Just enrolled, feedback appreciated. Done. So go to Mojo University.teachable.com, click enroll, and when you do, I'll load you with the online day trading course. You come to this page, you can preview class 2. You just want to preview it. It's a video and the comments below. Hi everybody, Pro Trader Mike here to teach you lesson 2 of Mojo University, the trading basics. Now, there you go. So that's the videos, and that's how it works, and it's all there. It's all there for you for free, man. You let me know if you like it. You let me know what you want to pay. How's that system? Can't do better than that. Great trading today, this morning, so far on the two little ones. MNK just Heinz 409 by 410. Sorry about that. MNK just Heinz $4. It's at 410. So the picks this morning, MNK back a little bit. So right here, MNK new high 413. Market opened at 9:30. We got an A bio, an LXRX, which actually didn't really do that amazingly great. It's back to 243 LXRX. So if you got it off the 227 to 32, you're selling here at 244 on LXRX, 245. Volume was the key on that one as well. It's up actually in a rail grind right now for the guys that did nail the 3-bar bottom. And now we're headed back up. Great job on that one. Back to MNK. 411 on MNK. Went to 415 on MNK. So again, if you're not in MNK and you're not in the other stocks that are going on that we're in, you're in the wrong room. A lot of day trade rooms out there. There's a lot of Discord chat rooms out there. MNK did a 60-cent move from the original call this morning. 60-cent move. MNK with the volume was one of the biggest winners. Yuma may go test 5 again right here if it doesn't go lower. A bio off stopping station possibility. 677 to 82. And that's how we trade in the Mojo room. Guys, anybody listening to this video, use your smarts. Use your common sense. Okay? One pick right there. Do you see it? TTOO. You see that, right? You see this one right here, FTR. You see that, right? That's another Mojo swing pick from the past month. Another Mojo swing pick from the last month. 2 of them right there, again, on the list. FTR, Frontier Communications. That was one I believe Pro Trader Cash had in the portfolio, if I'm not mistaken, from my photo memory, from the one time she flashed an image of what she had. I think that was one of them. Let's take a look at the chart. FTR. FTR pick was on August 18th. Right here. Frontier Communications at 78 cents. It's $1.12 right now. Increased earnings estimates from a loss of $1.41 to a loss of $1.02. It's a 40% gain. 105 million in the float, 46% owned by funds. Look at the circles. Low at 201, high at 288. Low at 198, high at 268. 166, 217, 121.83. 78 right down here, and $1.22. Where is it at? $1.12. Mojo's got the roll on.
Yes.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Well, yes.
There you go. Bam. Website's easy. MOJODayTrading.com. Go there and click yes, I want to learn trading right now on the day trading side. If you're a professional and a swing trader, you want to learn that Ken Slim system, where all those charts are coming from, how it works. Click yes, I want to swing trade right there. You want them both, you get them both. More power to you. More power to you. Let's listen to what Lobster has to say. You know, Lobster, he's a like a Navy, he's a fighter pilot in the Army, like in real amazing.
MOJO Day Trading. Initially chose MOJO Day Trading Pro Trader Mike. Pro Trader Mike's commitment to integrity and professionalism and brings to day trading. His approach to day trading should be about building a business, a marathon. Once I started coming to the day trading room every day, I saw the students, the students individually and on a personal basis, and how he was more invested in the student success, teaching them how to trade well than he is his own success. He interacts and helps everyone every day. You can tell he has a true passion for how to do well and be successful as day traders. Every day I've learned something new and improved my trading skills. From Pro Trader Mike and MOJO University, my day trading improved tremendously. I can't even put into words how much better I got after taking MOJO University the first time, and I plan on taking it again. But every day since my first time through the course of MOJO University, I've been successful.
Hey, today I want to talk to you about my experience with MOJO Day Trading and the MOJO U trade. I'm Pro Trader N. First, I want to introduce myself. I am located in Norway. I have no financial education or professional trading experience. I've always had a fascination for trading and economics, and one day I got a Twitter message from Mike. Mike is the founder of MOJO Day Trading. Message was an invitation with a free pass to his room and the possibility to check out how it works. Man, was I good. I noticed the positivity in the room, both from Mike and the team members. Room has its own easy to understand lingo. Remember, I could not distinguish a candle shop from a candlelight. Besides the friendly tone in the room, I came to quickly learn that there was no need to learn all the technicality, charts, and whatnot.
Guys, so he didn't even know the difference between a candlestick and a candle wick, man. You know what I'm saying? That guy didn't even know the difference between a candlestick and a candle wick. So, dudes, anybody, near, far, anywhere in the world could come to the MOJO Day Trading Room, learn the systems, and become a great trader. Take another scroll down the block. 667, ADIL 176, FTR 114, Francesca 1165. Francesca went up nicely. GPOR, AIMT, ENDP, AVEO, CNSL, doing nice. Overstock, 2290, headed into 23. Beeline, that's pretty much it. Yes, Z-Scaler, 49 Heinzen, that's a big one. Look at that one. ROKU, 144. UV's the same. UV actually did go a little above 27, but not much. And that's it. Otherwise, it was a pretty good morning, man. Pretty good morning on ABIO LXRX. Did amazing, man. It went up to 248 on LXRX. Back at stopping station. See what happened. Oh, Pro Trader Alpha made on 2,000 shares of MNK, just 2,000 shares. Anyone that could have done that trade, anyone made $510. The subscription's just $149 a month. So he just covered his subscription for 3 months in one trade. Now he's free for 3 months, if you want to think of it that way. Otherwise, he paid a commission. He paid a commission to do that trade. He paid a platform fee to do that trade. And he fed the horse's mouth that gave him the trade. I'm the most important out of the platform fee and the commission and stuff. I mean, give me a break. Wouldn't have had that telling him when to knowing when to sell through 407 and right there on the MNK. 396 right now. How do we know how to sell through 4 and hit that top right there? Because he's a pro. He's a pro. Hey, Gerardo's back in the room. Oh, I do have rolls now. Look at that. It changed. But alpha, I don't. Weird. Some of the people I do, and some of the people I don't. So weird. There's a little bug in the Discord room. I'll have to fix it. I'll have to do a request. I'm just doing some scanning right now. LCI, I'm scanning at 1290. We may be able to catch a little pain on A-Bio right here. Take a look. Stopping station on A-Bio right now. Right here, guys. A-Bio. Let's catch some people's pain. Sell it back up here. Get a little shiner. Here we go. 627 to 32. $627 to 32. Why do you buy at 627 to 32? Why? How do you know it's going to stop? Look, 627. How do you know it's going to stop going down and then go right back up? How do you know? Where do you learn that information from? How do you know it's stopping and now it's going to go 30 bid and go back? How do you know? Do something with a 33 bid. How does that happen? You learn it all in the courses in MOJO University. It's a stopping station. You learn them in MOJO University, folks. I was just talking about your Pro Trader Cash. I think I remember you shot me a little look at that portfolio. I think you had the FTR in there and some of the other beautiful winners. 35 bid now. Go over all your reviews in the MOJO. Yeah. 640 now on A-Bio. Beautiful stop down. UV's flirting with Hines at 90. Cool. Oh yeah, it works. How about Arcadia is up 25 cents. That's going to make a move one of these days again. LCI is right at 99. Watching LCI. Bob the Bull. Baker. These guys never answer me, man. Look at this guy, only the Nets fan. I can't change the rule. It's messed up. Look how many times I spoke to this guy since August 20th. a month, and he just keeps on coming back. Him. And this guy, look, pro trade Deary. This guy too is a wise guy. Why would you name your name that? Who are you? Who are you, dude? They don't answer, they're gonna be kicked. This guy Bob the Bull. Who are you? How many times I've spoken to him? So weird, I can't change roles. So weird. RAD's 915, 920, still doing amazing. That's pretty much it for the day, guys. I think we're done. Done with the morning run. Just doing a scan. There's nothing there. ROKU just jumped. 145. Okay. Okay. Pro Trader Randy. Want to meet Randy? There's Randy.
A great big South Carolina Gamecocks greeting to everyone out in the MOJO world. This is Pro Trader Randy chiming in to give a huge, just like we do on game day, go Cox cheer out there to Pro Trader Mike and the entire MOJO trading family.
He's a teacher.
As I've approached the end of a long high school teaching career and looked ahead to the future, I've been unofficially following Pro Trader Mike for a couple of years now. Mostly on a part-time basis, I subscribe to the Swing Trade newsletter and would join the occasional Free Pass Friday inside the Day Trade Chapter. I slowly observed and absorbed as much information as I could.
Telling you, these guys are real, man. There, he's real. He's in the Mojo room. Right there. What do I think about SPLK? What is that? Splunk? 115 Hines. There you go. Up, volume, you got it. Good job, JC. Been doing good with them Hineses lately, kid. Nice work. You just jumped up a level. I don't think you can do the news. You got to do the acceptance of the, if you go to the information channel, in order to do that, you have to agree right here. So check it out. Try to do that, and then you can have access to the room right there. If you click that and type agree. Nice move on SPLK 115.60. 115.80. Nice call on that, Mr. JC. Powerful moves, powerful people in the room. Many eyes out on the Hines. $116 on SPLK. Great pick, man. Love the Hines. Great pick, JC. Right through that 115. Absolutely. I said great pick, JC. Great pick. Nice Hines on the 115. Beautiful Hines on the 115. Outlook looks okay. It's got a signal at 182, 183, OTLK, little one. I actually get a little mojo right here. It does a little pickup through 183. Could head up into the 190s. Make a little move. Yeah, the news bot. Read that message, man. Read that message right here. If you'd like to use the bot, please review the bot's terms of service. Click that link and agree to them by typing the following reply to the message in that thing when you do that. Agree, yes. Not listening, so we can't even hear. Yo, if you that bot is free, you will come to the MOJO Day Trade Room. I'll hook you up with that too. Free. Hook you up with it. And there ain't nothing happening. So we're gonna end the MOJO show and the trading for today. Hope you made money. Hope you liked what you seen. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Click subscribe in the bottom right hand corner. You see the shark swimming around when he goes to chase the dollar bill. Follow him. When he gets to the right corner of the screen, you see subscribe. Just click that and you'll be subscribed. Dudes, it's right down there, man. So that's the MOJO show today. Peace. Keep it profitable, and I'll see you on the next show. Later.